Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Dave Yap, and sa araw na ito ay mag-unbox tayo ng isang low profile na keyboard. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng low profile na keyboard? So ito yung mga keyboard na kaparehos yung design niya sa laptops. Especially the general thought here is flat siya na keyboard. What's good about this is that aside from being a very light keyboard, it's actually a sturdy one, and also this is great for those either for gaming, school, or office use kasi konti lang yung actuation point niya or yung travel ng mga keys. So sa mga fast typers dyan, this is a very good keyboard talaga para sa inyo. So without further ado, mag-unbox na tayo ng ating Inplay Kb066 na keyboard. So ito yung ating keyboard. This is not a 10 keyless or 87 keys, pero ito yung 108 or full size talaga na keyboard. So based on sa box, ito ay rainbow suspended backlit ang tawag dito? Game. So meron siyang rainbow lighting or RGB, pero hindi siya kagaya ng moving RGB, kundi static lang siya. And there are two options with its lighting options. Merong static na as in static lang or yung breathing type. So mamaya pa ipapakita ko sa inyo how the light works. And then other specs here says suspension keycaps and rainbow backlight. And then sa likod naman, yes, it comes in two color options, black and white, but what I got here is black. As you can see, medyo flat yung ating keyboard. Similar to how the Apple Magic Keyboard is. Not so similar kasi mas thin yun compared dito. But the point here is that for a budget or a cheap low profile na keyboard is I'm truly impressed na gaano siya ka-lightweight, and kasi meron mga keyboards na medyo ganito ka-light, ka-thin, and yung quality ng plastic, well, in regards to that, the quality, hindi siya masyadong nagbe-bend. And regarding sa yung pagsasag niya, especially with the very low quality plastic, see, walang mga sagging or no issues at all. I can say this is a great keyboard. Next is ang ating connection. So it's a USB. So gaano ba kahaba yung kanyang cable? From my perspective, this is about 1.5 meters. So mahaba na siya for most of the applications for your PC. Now at the back of the keyboard, ito yung logo ni Inplay and yung some details, and then ito is for yung stand niya. So this is to lift the keyboard higher for ergonomics. So meron siyang konting click as if parang mechanical keyboard, but actually this is not a mechanical keyboard. This is only a membrane keyboard like most other office keyboards or yung mumuharin lang ng mga keyboards. But there is some click to it na as if parang ano siya, matatawag na medyo mechanically or may konting mechanical kahit membrane naman siya. So let's connect the keyboard. Gamitan tayo ng power bank because I'm not using my PC. Even at a very dim room, you can individually see lahat ng mga letra, numbers, and yung mga keys ng ating keyboard. Also, merong FN dito at merong LED. This button is to turn off or to turn on our RGB lighting. I would suggest if Inplay could somehow, instead of other options, if pwede ba white light or just normal white light instead of RGB. Now pertaining sa kanyang light mode, meron tayong mga FN buttons dito. So for FN, dito sa page up and down, this is to lower the brightness. So meron lang tayong 3 steps, 1, 2, at 3. Ito yung static mode lang or full na RGB static lighting niya. And then we have to press FN, then itong LED na button. It will transform into the breathing mode. So dalawa lang ang ating lighting options ng keyboard nito because of the LEDs that are each of the segments or regions ng ating keyboard is static lang ang kanyang lighting. It's RGB but only for a certain part or static lang na area. It's not really the RGB of gaming or mechanical keyboards na it will move across different letters, different keycaps. What if you want this to be less brighter? Well, unfortunately, wala tayong options dyan. Yung static lighting lang ang pwede na raise or lower ng brightness. But in regards to this breathing mode, wala siyang brightness level. So kung gusto ka na less bright lang siya, then we will have to switch back FN plus the LED key. It will stop. This is the static mode, and then punta ka FN plus page down to lower its brightness. Ayun. Wow. Even when the lights are out inside your room, hindi naman siya masakit sa mata. Honestly, itong yung phone ko, what I'm recording right now is mukha naman siyang masakit sa mata, but in reality, it's not. For the fast typers, parang you'll just have to slide your fingers across. The W, A, S, and D. Now, I'm not gonna do that. So for my experience with this, sturdy naman siya. I don't see anything wrong with this or may mga defects ng ating Inplay. So magkano ba ito? Luckily, I got this one for 100 plus pesos from Shopee. Normally, this would go around 300 to 400 pesos. But if you get lucky on some sales ng Shopee, you can get this for 100 plus pesos. Sometimes meron pang mga bundle. So I would suggest you getting this keyboard, especially if ayaw mo ng lights on sa inyong room. And what if walang you have an ilaw and you don't want the LED to be on? You can just turn it off. So that was my full review unboxing of the Inplay Kb066 na low profile na keyboard. So what are your thoughts about this keyboard? Comment down below kung anong para sa inyo, okay ba o hindi. But for me, this is actually a great keyboard for office, gaming, and school use. Kasi mura lang siya and honestly, I like it. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat on tuning in to my video. Again, this is Mike Dave Yap and have a great day. Bye!